My name is Sandro. I'm in the community since a couple of days ago. I'm in finance and investments, and I have been working on my memory setup. I also set up Hermes and tried Codex.
Did you have any difficulties during the setup?
The main issue I ran into was the one I told you in the community earlier today, I think. It was basically the core, the wiki being outside the child folders.
Yeah, you said you got it working with by just adding the wiki folder, right? Is there another issue?
I think that works by just adding the wiki folder, but I don't know if it's gonna like cause other problems. The move might be just to move to Codex or Claude Code actually.
That's what I would recommend. Like Code-Work, the difference between Claude Code-Work and Claude Code is essentially Claude Code-Work creates the folder for you beforehand. You know how in like this sort of video I explained, okay, this is my workspace, it's like a folder, right? Like you have to like create that folder. But Claude Code-Work essentially creates like some, not necessarily temporary, but it creates a folder in some path that is like predetermined by Claude. And then within that project of Claude Code-Work, all the stuff happens in there. It's like a sandbox, right? So it's like also quote unquote safe because it can't reach outside of that sandbox. So you know only the things inside of that folder will be touched upon. There's advantage to this because it's like, oh, everything is contained inside this folder, but it also restricts you a lot. Like if you have cross-project stuff, if you want to reach to the outer folder, like all these different random stuff that you might have to do, it's just going to be restricted if you keep using Claude Code-Work. So my recommendation would just be like, hey, you should just try to learn Claude Code or Codex to begin with, like because you'll get comfortable with this within like a week. Like it's not really that much more difficult. So it's like you might as well just use this instead, and then you just understand that you have to deal with folders, right? You have to like create your own folder to open Claude Code in, and then just be mindful of like the existence of these folders and stuff, which is good. Like for you to understand how these folders and memory files interact with each other, this is what's going to improve your understanding of like how everything works together. So I think it's definitely good. I would recommend you to just use Claude Code or Codex.
I have been trying out Codex for Hermes and actually is quite good. How would the switch be though from Codex to like say Claude Code? Can I use like the same existing folders that I already have?
I think so. Definitely yes. It's probably pretty straightforward, but you have to like do it manually. You might have to tell, if I were you, I would probably do like, I want to switch this current project to Claude Code, like within Code-Work, and you just ask like, how can I do that? And it's probably like literally a direct path to like what that project is in your Code-Work. And you just have to either open that direct path within Claude Code or just copy everything from that path, or tell Claude directly to copy everything from that path to a new folder that's like somewhere else on your computer that's like outside of Code-Work. And have you tried like using the wiki stuff? Like do you have it connected with like current projects you're doing and like other people you work with?
Currently I work alone, so I do have it connected to like what I'm doing, but I haven't seen the impact, if you know what I mean, because I've only set it up for a few days now, I think, and so I have stuff updated into the wiki, but I don't know how it's like, I still haven't felt the impact, if you know what I mean.
Like the child projects, definitely, I remember you asking this, definitely have it also connected to the wiki. Like in the child projects agents.md, it needs a line to connect it. I don't remember if your latest reply was like saying that there was something wrong with that part. I remember you mentioned that.
Yeah, no, there isn't. I think my agents.md is connected to the main wiki. Yeah, but then I just ran into the problem that without connecting the main wiki folder, child folder couldn't look at the wiki folder because it's like outside.
I guess our plan here is try to switch to Claude Code or Codex and then
probably. Okay. Yep.
If you're a business owner or you work at a company, I have something for you. So basically I'm live every Sunday at this time below on YouTube and on Twitch, and I answer questions about AI, and I have meetings with my clients on how to use AI efficiently in their workflows. For example, on how to set up your memory workspace properly, your second brain, because that's literally the most important thing you can have, since making money, getting clients, everything is downstream from that. And if you want more personalized help, I also made a private community recently where I have a classroom about everything that gives you the specific steps, and I have a very specific diagnostic here, a set of questions you can answer to figure out your exact next step. So I hope to see you soon, whether it's during the live call or in my private community. I'll see you there.